Luciano versus Escobar, and Dillinger versus Larry Hoover. In that final four, that's a really good one, and some very bad men there. In the matchup between Lucky Luciano and Pablo Escobar, I didn't get that far with you guys, so I let you guys extrapolate it out. There was a lot of talk and chatter about Luciano moving on throughout this, but widely everybody is kind of with me that Pablo Escobar had the most influence in that group. And that leaves the other part of the Final Four, John Dillinger versus Larry Hoover. Again, pretty common answer there in that as dangerous as Larry Hoover could be, John Dillinger changed the game.